Just another Saturday morning, watching the world go by, thinking about the flow of things. Check it. That today's a better day than yesterday. Yeah, I get it, that's a given. Anyway, it's common sense, just a simple, basic truth you see. No need to even say it out loud between you and me, cause the clock ticks on a steady kind of pace. We get a little older, try to find our own space, get stained and scarred, but through the hurt and strife, we just keep getting reborn. Yeah, that's the rhythm of this life. And the color of a loving heart, whatever shade it may be, just a gentle feeling's all it takes for the dawn to break, you see. That's all the light we really need for the shadows to retreat. Just a simple, quiet kindness, a vibe that can't be beat. But we're living out these messy days, it's all that we can do, just to patch the seams together, hoping that we make it through. Yeah, this clumsy, ungraceful life is the only one we knew, just me and you. So let's hold hands, yeah, and pull each other near, and let that quiet vibe just hang right in the air. That feeling like, oh yeah, this is kinda nice right here. Cause I never thought that happiness was something you could find all at once, a winning ticket. No, that's not the grand design. So let's just take the long way round and see what we